Hello there, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? Hey guys, as usual, the mail lady stopped by. Now this was a couple of days ago by the time this posts. It's a box for November. They've been running late on several boxes and it is the November box. It just arrived and I'm not sure what day this will post, but I'm going to go ahead and open it and share it with you guys. I want to welcome you all to my channel. If you have not been here before, I would say, hey, why don't you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and you'll know my next videos that come out. And you'll also be aware of any giveaways and winning giveaways that are going on and collaborations. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you all. I really appreciate you. I know that you have lots of channels that you go to visit, and for you to stop by and see me, I just want you to know I really appreciate it. Appreciate your time, and I realize you might not can even do it every day, but whenever you have a chance and you pop by, I just want you to know thank you and I appreciate you. Now about this ManBox, used to it was $16 a month, then it was $19 a month. And when I checked last, after I told y'all $19 a month, I found out it had jumped up to $24 a month. So I'm not sure if the value is there as it had been, but I do know that shipping and everything has had something to do with it, although they do charge you for shipping as well. So I can't even truly blame it on shipping. The only thing I can think of is price increases on the products that they're getting, because they're probably having to charge more. But we're going to pop in here. You usually get 5 items, and it's designed toward the man, but it can be for a woman. And this is a great gift idea for your father, your brother, your brother-in-law, your boyfriend. Any man would probably like this box, and I have found that some women like this box, and the last box we had, I liked it. I liked it a lot. I kept almost everything for me. So, you know, it is a box that can be unisex, I guess, but it is designed for the man, and it usually has 5 items that's geared toward things that they would need or purchase or like. So let's pop in here and see what the ManBox is for November. Now this would have been probably the thankful box, and I don't even know if they do Thanksgiving. This box comes out of Canada, so I don't know if that would make a difference or not. I will tell you, we got several interesting things in here. We don't have a product card this time, which is unusual. They usually do have a product card, but we have 4 items in here, and they look to be some nice items. Not quite sure what it all is, but I guess we will find out together. I'm going to just start off with the smallest thing, and there's not even a code or anything, so it just came with the items in it, and that was it. So I don't know. I don't know what happened to the product card, but we have this keychain. That's one thing that we got. It's in black and silver, or maybe it's stainless steel. I will tell you, it's supposed to have a $60 value, and on the product card he usually tells you, but look at the detail. It's got, like, I don't know, like if it's leather right there on the black part, and then the steel, and then of course you clip it. So this would probably look nice on my black purse. This is something I could use because I like to clip my keys on my purse. So that's a nice little keychain. I like that. It's very nice. It's a heavy duty one. Okay, that was the first item. The next item was in this, and I'm not sure what this is. It looks like it goes all the way down in there, and then you can push it from the bottom, and when you pull it up, it has mist, but I don't know what kind of mist it is. So this is an Enigma. I have no clue what this is. I can just tell you it's in this little case. It's got liquid in it, and there's nothing written on it. And then it's got the little place there where you can spritz it, but I don't know what it's spritzing. Now the next item that we have is a high-speed power bank, and this might be pretty handy to have. So it's 100Z, it says, and it's a mobile power supply. It's light and easy to carry, compatible with most mobile phones. So, that's pretty good. It's got LED lighting on there, it says, And then it shows you, I guess, how it can charge up your phone. And it's a power bank. Let me see how easy it is to get out. Well, okay. It's black. And it is covered up a little bit. I don't want to take that off. It's got USB port to charge it up. And it's got instructions that come with it. So it looks to be a nice solid gift. And I'm going to put it back in the box because that'll probably be a gift. So you do get some nice gift ideas in here. That's what that is. And then the last item that we have in here is i7s TWS, and these are ear pods. I don't know much about these ear pods. I don't know what the value of those are. I'm gonna say at least $20, maybe more. This is the ManBox. We have 4 items. We have the power bank. We have the ear pods. We have this, I don't know for sure what this is, but it's got a liquid atomizer in it and you can spritz it, whatever it is. Maybe it's to clean off your cell phone, I don't know. And then we have this nice little keychain. So that's what we have for the ManBox for November. And like I said, without a card or even they don't even have a QR code to go off of. That's the ManBox for the month of November. Let me know what your favorite item is. And this one, I don't know. I'm going to have to say the power bank because that was the most unusual and probably the most useful for me. And then as far as a gift, I think these ear pods are pretty cool too. And I'm going to definitely use the keychain because I'll clip that right on my purse and or belt loop or whatever. But it's a nice little keychain clip, whatever you call that. So that was my ManBox for the month of November. Guys, I'm probably going to cancel my ManBox. What do you think about the ManBox? Do you think that I got a $60 value? I really don't know. I'll have to look it up. I will tell you, I did not pay $24 because I had it on contract. I paid like $17 for my box. So for me, I probably got a great value, and even at $24, it may be a good value. So I don't know. Y'all just have to let me know. But as for today, be sure and check my descriptions for any collaborations and our giveaways that are currently going on. And be on the lookout for several different types of videos. I've got some PR coming out, different products, and some that you may be interested in. And then, of course, I got my regular subscription boxes that'll start up because we're in a new month. Everything's running kind of late, so just keep that in mind. We may not get things to you on a regular schedule due to shipping issues and things being delayed. But other than that, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.